Hi everyone. Renaming your device is very useful, especially when you work in an environment with multiple similar Bluetooth devices, as it helps you avoid connecting to the wrong one. To get started, make sure your Magic Mouse is turned on and currently connected to your Mac. First, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of the menu bar, then select System Settings. In the window that appears, look at the left sidebar and click on Bluetooth. Now, a list of connected devices will appear under the My Devices section. Find your mouse. Usually, it will have a default name like Magic Mouse or the previous owner's name. Click on the I icon, the Info button, located to the right of that device's name. A small window will pop up. Here, you'll see the first line is Name. Simply click on it, delete the old name, and type in a new one. For example, I'll name it Ethan's Mouse. Once you're finished typing, just click the Done button in the bottom right corner to save your changes. You can see that the device's name in the Bluetooth list has been updated to the new name immediately. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.